Hi everyone, welcome to techpix.com. So the project that we will discuss today is a smart garbage monitoring system using Internet of Things. So this smart dustbin, what it actually does is it measures whether the quantity of garbage has filled the dustbin completely or not. Then it provides the quantity of garbage, the value over the internet, and after that it also provides an alert so that the corresponding authorities or the team may come and pick the garbage and thus clean the dustbin in the nearby spot. So on the screen, you can see here that we have the entire setup. Here, this is the dustbin in which I have put some garbage here, and above it, I have placed three ultrasonic sensors. So three ultrasonic sensors have been used here due to the large size of the box. If you have a small box, you can use a single ultrasonic sensor as well. So these sensors basically measure the distance of the object being placed in front of them, which will help in detecting whether the dustbin has been completely filled or not. So we will be calculating the average of the outcomes of all three sensors, and depending on that we will conclude whether the dustbin has filled up completely or not. So next here we have a control panel. In this control panel, we have one 20 cross 4 LCD. So the power supply has been provided to this control panel through an adapter. Next is a power button, and here is an outlet. The hole which is being shown here, it is an outlet for the buzzer alert, so that it could be an auditory alert can be provided whenever the dustbin gets completely filled. Now I'll start the system and represent its working. As you can see, the project name is displayed and then the status of dustbin is being shown equal to 15%. So this value has been represented by calculating the aggregate of the values input from the all three sensors. It calculates the average of those three values and then displays it on the screen. Is 14% fill. The outcome of the average calculated from the values of these ultrasonic sensors can fluctuate a little bit by a difference of 1 to 2%. This is generally because the ultrasonic sensor can detect the presence even if it gets or senses any reflection from any of the angles in any case. So that difference is acceptable. Now we'll show you that whether this percentage of the filled dustbin increases as we keep the garbage inside the dustbin increasing or not. So first we'll have the demonstration on this LCD only. Later on we will have a demonstration of this project working on the IoT mode, that is the application interface that we have developed for this project. And the extra garbage and filling the dustbin. So here you can see that I have added some bags to this dustbin and it is showing 50%, that the dustbin is up to 50% filled. It can be seen that the value has updated on the LCD instantly. On the screen, you can see that the application interface has been shown and the same percentage as that on LCD is being represented on this interface as well. So this interface facilitates the remote monitoring of the status of the dustbin that, as told earlier, will enable the authorities to take an instant action so that the team can come on the spot and clean the dustbin and empty it in case it is completely filled or it is overflowing. So here it can be seen that the 44% of dustbin has been occupied. The same output is in the LCD and on the application interface as well. So now we are increasing the garbage quantity even more. And as you can see, that we are continuously filling the dustbin up, and corresponding to that the value of filled percentage is also increasing. It's 61% currently. It is to be noticed that the percentage value is increasing simultaneously on both the LCD and the application interface. It's currently 74% fill. Now, let's have a look at the Android application that we have developed for this project. So here you can see we have a set of IoT based projects, and here we will select our current project, That is smart garbage collection system, automation, and remote bins capacity monitoring. So as soon as I select this option, I am here updated with the status of the dustbin, as you can see on the screen as well. And even in the mobile, we have been showing the same application. So on the LCD, we have the corresponding value for the garbage filled percentage in the dustbin. So here you can see that if we decrease the quantity of garbage here, now we are removing the garbage. So the sensors will again detect it, and again the average of all three sensors will be calculated and displayed, and it is currently 28% filled as shown well here. And even on the LCD, it is continuously updating, which shows that our system is functioning properly. Now, if we increase the quantity of garbage, here I'm adding some more dump into the bin, we can see that the change will take place on the Android application a little bit later because the values have to be sent over the internet, which takes some latency. So here our dustbin is 48% filled. So next we'll have a look on the case that how the dustbin will react if the dustbin is completely filled. So here we can see that we have filled the dustbin completely with a lot of dump, and the status being shown here is 88%. 90% the dustbin has been filled, and we can see that the buzzer beeps here and a message of clear dustbin is being shown on the LCD. The same percentage is being displayed on the Android application as well, which means that we can remotely get updated with the status of dustbin. So here the system checks after every 10 seconds whether the dustbin has been emptied or not, and the buzzer beeps after every 10 seconds in case the dustbin has not been emptied. And in the same case, on the other hand, in the Android application, it will give vibrations after every 10 seconds in case the dustbin is not being emptied. So this is how this project works, and that's all about this application. So other than Internet of Things, this project covers the aspects of telemetry. Telemetry means measuring or getting the data that is transmitted wirelessly. So the wireless transmission of data or the information over the internet has been made possible here with the help of ESP32 microcontroller. So this smart dustbin finds its application, the most significant one being in keeping a city neat and clean by spreading public awareness, preventing dirty streets, and this ultimately preventing the spread of infections, dirt, and other such problems among the people. It's all about this project. If you want to buy it or have any queries related to it, you may contact on the number given on the screen or through the link given in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel to stay tuned with more such videos related to the projects that make our day-to-day life easier. Thanks for watching and have a good day.